To more news now. A Lawrence man who admitted on video to having child pornography now faces criminal charges.
This first popped up on the public radar through an online vigilante group, and the case is once again stirring debate over whether these groups that conduct sting operations on their own are actually helping or hurting the prosecution.
Yeah, when we say vigilante, we mean regular everyday citizens taking the law into their hands. Rich and I has been following this story for over a week now and talked to the prosecutor today about these specific charges filed.
And now that charges have been filed, we are identifying 32-year-old Dillon Kruger facing 4 felony counts of possession of child sex abuse material. Kruger was brought to the attention of police on April 4th by a group called Predator Poachers. The group based in Texas confronted Kruger at an Indianapolis home and posted the 4-hour video online. Kruger admitted to buying and possessing child pornography. Police were called to the scene, and Kruger again admitted to those same things. But he was not arrested that day. An Internet Crimes Against Children detective returned 3 days later, and Kruger consented to his phone being searched, and police say they found child porn videos.
This case highlights some of the challenges and problems that exist when we don't involve law enforcement. They understand people's rights. They understand the Constitution. They understand what's protected, and they're going to do their best to follow the law. Whereas these vigilante groups, while certainly they want to operate in a way in which they're hopefully bringing light to some of these cases, one of their goals clearly is they want a viral moment.
The court records say that none of the evidence from the video was used to bring charges against Kruger. The detective cited many concerns about the tactics used in this video and other sting operations by predator poachers that were improper or unethical. And Kruger made his first court appearance just this afternoon.
Well, what about the argument that police would not know about these suspects if this citizen vigilante group had not brought this to their attention?
Well, that's absolutely true. The message from law enforcement, though, is to call police if you know someone who you suspect is involved in child sex abuse. Get them involved on the front end of this process. Don't try to conduct your own investigation where evidence could be destroyed or compromised, or people could be put in danger trying to put on one of their stings like this.
And it's not just these groups locally. As you mentioned, this one was out of Texas, did you say?
They're out of, and when I talked to the group last week, they were in Virginia doing another sting.
Okay, Rich, thank you.